DJM TV. DJM TV.
Aren't you afraid of your life? I mean, you are so vocal.
Are we alive in Nigeria?
So you're not afraid of getting killed?
We are alive in Nigeria.
Ooh.
This one is the life that we have. We are not alive in this country. We are merely surviving. I was 9, 10. I've always been vocal all my life. I remember there was a time that my father had accused me of something. I can't remember what it is right now. And it turned out to be false. And I said to my dad, do you know you wronged me and you need to apologize? And apparently, in our cultural thing, a child doesn't say to her parents that they've wronged, and it was within the family. It was another cousin that had done that. And I don't know I grew up and I don't know how to snitch, and I'll never snitch on anybody, but I'll take on issues. And it became an issue. Oh, my father wasn't talking to me, everybody was sorry. But I was wronged. And so people need to get off that mentality. And part of the things I grew up, so as a child, by the age of 9, 10, I said to myself, the worst thing any human being can do to me, because I got a lot of beatings. And I'm a stubborn person. And even as a child, you're going to beat me. I'm going to stand here and you're going to give me as many lashes as you want. I'm not going to move. There won't be a whimper. You will not see me go down. I know that can be quite frustrating.
Very frustrating for whoever is disciplining you.
Whoever is beating you. And when you're done, you tell me, and I'll go. Wow. So I always knew all of that. So at that age, I said to myself, the worst thing any human being can do to me is to kill me. And I say, I'm going to die anyway. So it's not the worst thing. So even today, some people say, are you not afraid of me?
Yes.
I'm 45. How many Nigerians have lived to be 45 and done what they want to do? I live every day a fulfilled human being, because I live my life on my own terms, not on the terms of the society, what they expect from me as a woman, not on the terms of anything. I live my life on my own terms. I'm a Muslim and I follow my injunction the way I want to follow it, not the way people want me to, the way my God said I should do it. And that's it. So I owe nobody.
You're a mom. You're a mom. You've got a husband. You've got 2 kids. I mean, really, I'm asking you based as a Nigerian, a mother of 2 kids and a husband. Even if you're not afraid of your own life, what about the life of your kids, the life of your spouse, the life of your spouse, the people you care about? Because
in this life, anything can go. Anything can go. You can lose everything. I mean, I don't owe anything anyway. I'm not attached to any.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
That's the news for the week. But before we go, we'd love to say a very big thank you to some of our supporting members. Arinze Agulonu, Favor Olamide, Ada Dollars View, GKH Foundation, Cheesy 1DK, Eve Dow TV, Anointed Lady TV, and others too numerous to mention. Please, if this is your first time of seeing our videos, do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you receive videos from us as soon as they drop. Also, follow us on all our social media platforms. Also on our website, www.djmtv.news, where we drop news 24 hours every day. I am Lauru Favor. Thanks for watching.
DJM TV. DJM TV.